Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So today I found a new ETF company. They're called Peerless ETF, and they have an interesting concept. They're going to use like the wheel strategy. So let's get into it. So I was kind of surprised that YieldMax or Defiance didn't think of this first. So I was kind of wondering why, but anyway. So again, this is not SEC approved, although this is filing on May 10th. And as I mentioned, I guess they're new because I tried to look up information about this company, but I couldn't find anything yet. So I guess like later on, maybe they'll have like a full website up and running. So they have an interesting ticker symbol, so WEEL. So that's a good one. So I'm not too thrilled about like the expense ratio, especially for like a new company. But I mean, I think originally they wanted like 117 basis points or 1.17%, and it gave people like a small break. But I mean, 1.07% isn't like the greatest either, but it's only slightly higher than the like the Defiance or YieldMax ETFs. So we'll just have to see. Hopefully they'll be able to get like good performance. So the strategy, they're gonna run a wheel based on mostly sector specific ETFs, but in their language they also make I guess like an exception for like I guess occasionally they'll probably do individual securities as well. So just as a reminder, what a like a wheel strategy is. So let's just say, for example, they're interested in like the XLE sector ETF for like the energy. So they would sell like a cash secured put at like a lower strike price than like the market price, and then like let's say like this particular sector tanks to like the strike price, then they would get it assigned. And then the next step after that, if they do get assigned shares, then they will just like sell cover calls against this particular ETF until it gets called away, and then the kind of like the cycle repeats. So hopefully this ETF does well. But the other thing that I'm not too keen on is like they have a quarterly payout. So I'm not sure why. I guess like if they're trying to compete against like I guess like other high yield guys like like Rex shares and Defiance and YieldMax and Neos, etc. Why they would do like a quarterly payout? But anyway, I guess that's on them. And here's I noticed something interesting on like the management. So I haven't heard of Eric O. Thompson or Robert Pascarella, although the Pascarella name sounds kind of familiar, but I might be thinking of someone else. But here you have like Chao Duan. Like if that name sounds familiar, she also works on like the Defiance and YieldMax ETFs. So I'm wondering if there's like some type of partnership going on because like I guess like the investment advisor is Title Investments, which works with YieldMax and Defiance. So I'm wondering if they're I guess like there's some type of like working relationship, but like I guess like spreading out some of the managers across like different fund families might be troubling. So I guess for myself, I'm just gonna take like a wait and see approach. I'm definitely curious to see how like their holdings, and then like what kind of like turnover they'll have, because this ETF does sound interesting, and I'm hoping that maybe their title is using this as maybe like a as like a test run, and then maybe YieldMax and Defiance can do like their version of this, because this is a pretty interesting concept, and I think a lot of people already do this anyway. So this might be convenient for some people, but we'll just have to wait and see. So if you like this type of content, please consider giving us a like. If you could subscribe as well, that'd be greatly appreciated. Of course, super thanks are also fantastic as well. So thank you for watching. I hope people make some good money out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.